back in the States, you know, you have an Amazon Prime account. So when you order something, you get it either the same day or the next day. Here in Albania, we don't have that. So what I ended up doing is I logged into my USA Amazon account. I ordered a few items, and I realized that there's only certain items available in Albania, not the same items you would get in the USA. So I had those items shipped to a DHL pickup office, which is about a 45-minute walk from where I'm residing. After about a 45-minute walk, I have found the DHL location. Let's see how easy it is to gather our items. Let's see what I have to show, whether it's an ID, a passport. Let's check it out. Alright, so now we wait. Most places in Albania are chill, so just enjoy the moment because no one's in a big rush. It is what it is. Enjoy your time. Yeah. Picking up. Package from Amazon.
You have ID with you?
Oh. Passport or?
Anyway, that's what's the name? Okay, it's okay.
Kaliszmer. So all I really needed was just either your passport or your ID. I have my packages now, which is really convenient. Plus, I get to exercise and walk over to this office that is around 45 minutes from where I live. Take care. Kaliszmer.